Hi, this tutorial is about how to obtain assistive technology Chrome extensions. So first we are going to go to the Google browser icon, and then in the upper right hand corner you're going to click on the three bars and you're going to go to Settings, and then here you're going to sign into Chrome. If it is under somebody else's name, you need to disconnect. And remember, at the end of every session, you need to go back to Settings and you're going to disconnect your account because all your personal information will be here and you don't want anybody else to use it. Like the Digo will collect information that you collect that nobody else needs to get. So remember, when you log in, you also have to log out. So we're going to sign into Chrome. We're going to create a new user. We don't need a desktop, so we're going to add. And since we're new, they're going to make us do it again. Okay, so now you know you got it. So we go over here, and then we go back to Settings. And make sure that this is your name. We're going to click on Extensions. Okay. Now if you want, notice that they're going to connect to all of the extensions if they haven't been used yet. So all you have to do is, like here, these are the basic ones, these first 5. If you want the extension for Adobe PDF file to convert a web page, you just have to click Enable. Now, every time you start something new, it goes to the web page, so you just have to click out of it. Now, to get, like we want to get Digo Web Collector, this allows you to annotate in Schoology when you take a test. You can collect and bookmark things on the web. There is a video on the MPTPA Google site that I made under Assistive Technology for this, Grammarly, Read and Write. Cami, you can annotate on PDF. This you can select anywhere on the web in any document and it will speak it to you. At the end I will show you how Read and Write works. Okay, so how you get these extensions is you're going to go to Get More Extensions, and usually I type in the first one and I make sure it clicks Extensions so that all of these are at the top. And all you have to do is, we don't want this one, but all you have to do is add it to Chrome and then it'll turn green. Okay, so you just scroll down and you see we have Grammarly. This means it's already installed as an extension. There's Cami. There's Select and Speak. Let's see, what else? Digo is harder to find. So if you can't find it, I would tend to go back up here and just write it in, D-I-I-G-O, and it's the Web Collector. And see, we already have it. All you have to do is add it to Chrome. Okay? So, when we log out, if it's not checked off Enable, all you have to do, but usually when you load it for the first time, it will enable it automatically. Okay, so now we can go back to google.com, and if this isn't you, you're going to sign out and sign back in as you. Now when you do the Chrome extensions like we just did and you're at home and you know you're the only one going to use these extensions, you don't have to sign in and out. But if you are at school, you need to sign in and out. Okay? So here's Read and Write. Here's the Adobe. Here's Grammarly. This is Cami. This is Select and Speak. And this is Digo. Now if you go to Google Drive, and say we want to do a new Google Doc, I'm going to show you a few things in Google Docs. Remember, if you want to change the title, you click on it and write it in. Now, this is the Read and Write. If you click on it, it's going to make you allow it for the first time, as are most of the extensions. Okay, so once it's there, and you allow it, you click on it. This is the paid version, all of these, and this is why I gave you Digo, because if you want to highlight with Digo, you can. You only have these for like 30 days. If you want it to play, you want it to read the text to you, it'll read it one word at a time. If you wanted to read it with Select and Speak, this will do the whole thing at once. You won't see word by word. So I just wanted you to see the difference. Okay? Now, if you want to voice type, you allow the microphone, read and write in Google Docs. Period. New line. And all you have to do is click on the microphone and it will stop. So if you need to type to it, it's really kind of cool. Then if you want to go to Tools and say you're not sure what a microphone is, you highlight the word, you go to Tools, and you hit Define. And then if you can't find the results, I would do Everything. And you can find here, or you like the dictionary. So it's telling you to do everything. Okay? So those are, so you can play around with what you can get. Let's see if it'll do right in the dictionary. We'll see. Okay, I'm sorry, I didn't hit enter for microphone. Okay, so then if you want right, there's the dictionary. Okay? And then here, you can do spell check. You click on it, it'll go through the document and tell you what needs to be fixed. We did the voice typing. Translate document will change it into a different language. If you hit the research key, and you want to say what is read it, right? Here, it'll give you articles. You can preview the article, which will show up over here. You can insert the link, which will go right into your document, so you can go back to it. And it will create a work citation for you. It'll put like a number 1, and then on another page, it will put the work citation. Okay? Another thing you can get is if you go to Get Add-ons, and you can see EasyBib was already there. If you see something else you like there's one called Profbot, I believe. Profbot. I didn't spell it right. So if I want a tool to proofread, you put in what it wants. Let's see if I spelled it wrong. So you just add this, and this is a grammar check also. So everything you add, you have to allow. Okay? So those are some of the things that you can do with assistive technology. Any questions, let me know. This video will also be put on the MPTPA Google Site Drive. Hope this helps.